To enable Ringer on iPhone 17e, you can open Settings on your phone, scroll down a little bit, and you are looking for Sounds and Haptics. The first thing that you should check is the silent mode. In order to make sure that your iPhone can play the Ringer, you need to make sure that silent mode is not activated. So you can turn it off over here. You can also turn it off by going to the control center. At least by default, here we have this bell that is used to toggle the silent mode. And also by default, we can use the action button in order to toggle the silent mode. So as you can see here, we can easily turn it on or off by pressing and holding the action button. The action button is also customizable in the settings, so make sure that the silent mode is set up over there if you want to use it for that. Another thing that is worth checking out is of course the volume for ringtones and alerts. As you can see here, we have this slider, so if it's all the way to the left, then of course the Ringer will not be played, so make sure that the sound is adjusted over here. That is pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.